Welcome to Growing Old. It's week 3 of flower for the autos.
'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows.
Well, here at Growing Old, you know we love our auto pots. And now we have a code that can help you save 10%. Growing Old. Okay, so week 3 of flower, and this is the first Gorilla Glue, and I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna have to get rid of some of these leaves, but I mean, it's got some buds growing up there. She might grow a great big old bud site there, but don't see many limbs coming off of it, but she's still gonna have some nice buds. Down here, second Gorilla Glue, same issue, but I mean, you can look and that's already basically connected right there. So that's gonna grow if it can get any taller. That's gonna be nice. We'll get some good ones there. Down here, these are the ones I'm really happy with. Because if you look, and if let's get in close, you can see, I mean, just look how big that stem is. I mean, and the one farther down is even bigger, but she's gonna bud up pretty good. I'll come out, I'll trim a few of a little bit of her leaves, and then down here, and if we can, I don't know if we can get in there, but if we can get all the way down here, and there you go. That right there is the magic of auto pots, is they just build it and it just gets big and big and big. And then our final one is our CBG. I haven't got it totally worked out, but again, I'm going to trim off a bunch of these leaves now that it's this big, and I keep working it to pull it apart because it's got a lot of bud sites up in there. But I'm just afraid that this is so thick and stiff to bend it. So I'm still trying to think of a way to do it. If anybody's got any ideas, put them in the comments and give me some ideas there. But I'd like to thank all of our subscribers and viewers. We really appreciate it. We wouldn't be where we're at today without you. Don't forget about, we're going to have a giveaway here at the end of the week. The rules on that are in our giveaway rules video, and it'll be linked at the bottom of in the description and at the end of this video. Thank you very much.
Sunshine streams and glows. Watching green leaves sprout in happy rows. Our babies growing bigger, strong and tall, answering nature's ancient healing call.